Hi, I would like to create a small video about the wooden spoons I recently received from Amazon OXO store. This is a set of 5 wooden spoons, different shapes. I like the variety of them. They have a lot of different shapes. Each one is a unique wooden spoons that you can use for different tasks in your kitchen. Some of them are very thin, some of them are thicker. Some of them have very unique shape, beautifully cut, very accurate work. And look at this edge, very sharp edge that doesn't cut your finger, but at the same time will help you to scrape something that is stuck to your pan and flip a pancake or whatever you need. I think this one can cut a pizza as well. They are very strong. I cannot break it. It's a really hard wood and it feels soft and smooth, but it's very strong and sturdy, very durable, as I can say. Different shapes, a variety of 5 spoons for different tasks. This one is a spoon-like shape that is good for storing for a long time. It's also very light and easy to grip. It's very comfortable to your hands. It feels good. It's real natural wood and I love it so much. I love the fact that they made from one piece of wood. No chemical glue like bamboo spoons. They will not crack, I guess, and they will serve you for years. I think they can survive 100 years easily. Don't put them into the dishwasher. I don't recommend using dishwasher for wooden spoons or wooden tools. Anything that is made from wood is not for a dishwasher. Hand wash them quickly, wipe with your towel, and that's it. Not a big deal. I like having a lot of them. When I cook and I use one spoon for storing or frying, and I don't have time to clean it in order to use it for another task, so I just pick up a random another one and use it. So it's very effective in your kitchen. You don't need to waste time on cleaning in order to reuse it. So you have so many of them. 5 is enough for every kitchen. I think can be a great gift for anyone who is cooking. Great to have in every house, so you can be sure this set you will really love and enjoy. Bye.
Certain recipes call out for traditional tools like Grandma's spaghetti sauce. OXO's wooden tools feature sturdy construction with updated design, so you'll find yourself reaching for these tools time and again. Each tool is crafted from a single piece of beechwood and has been thoughtfully designed. Large handles and a natural oil finish make them comfortable and durable and completely safe for all nonstick cookware. The spoons all have flattened heads on the back that stop them from rolling on the counter, but are deep enough to scoop and taste. The corner spoon features a pointed tip for safely scraping the edges of pots and pans. The slotted spoon helps to separate and serve, while the turner and saute paddle have sturdy heads, but thin edges to glide under and flip your foods. Here's a good tip. Because we use a single piece of wood for each tool, there are no glues or fillers in our utensils.